We're doing it on Omega, episode 423, part 1. GOON versus PK Fire. I've actually switched my field around so they could see the field. I flipped it around and I put it and then it didn't go through. I had to copy it and then make another one and put it on there again. What did you do? Scales, gloves and cloak. Special boots, go into cherubini, dump graph, sear, cloak, banish for Greaves, scales special, Greaves special, overlay for Sea Dragon, detach special from banish. That goes a 3 material. Sear special, cherubini, and then gloves, dump, swords, banish, and special summon. Link into Rusty, cloak effect, switch, and then gain attack 800, banish, add, set. I think I lost this one, yeah. And perm on Appo. Zeroed attack, wow. Kit into Almirage. Kit's grave effect. It's gonna dump Nerval, add Fractal. Dump Karis. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Set the revolt. Rusty. Send. Set. Normal effect. Switch. Increase attack by 800. Overlay. Effect. If a dark exceeds monster, special summon to its zone. Target a card, destroy it. It's gonna target revolt, so I just revolted. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shureg. Chainlink 1, 2, Nerval, 3, Kit, 4, in perm. Oh god. Kit dump, Nerval add. Break sword right here. Detach. Target a card and destroy it. Chainlink. Almirage. Target can't be destroyed by card effects this turn. What the fuck? That. You control them one. I'll destroy them. Destroyed, you can target 2 Phantom Knights monster with the same level special summon and increase the level by 1. So you cannot special summon monsters for the rest of the turn except for dark monsters. Lock in the darks, it's gonna pop itself. Special summon 2. Increase its level. Go into Raider's Knight. Detach. What the hell happened there? How come this guy has... You can detach one material from this card. Special summon from your extra deck 1 Phantom Knights, Raid Raptors, or Xyz Dragon, Xyz monster that is one rank higher or lower than this card. By using this card, you control its materials but destroy it during your opponent's next end phase. This is treated an Xyz summon. Transfer its material to the special summoned monster. You can only use this effect of Raider's Knight once per turn. Arc Rebellion Xyz Dragon. Cloak Banish, Shed Boots. Skills. Special summon from the grave. Special summon. Boots. Scales. Dump or send and dump. Is that a discard? Discard. Fogblade Banish special. Break Sword goes into access code. Yeah, he wins this one. Access code. Appo is a link 4, so he's gonna green 4,000. Gonna attack. Oh my god. Kishi wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. I came back though. I came back. What did I side in there? Some Skullmeisters and I forgot. Oh, something I don't know. I was thinking of then I wanted more cards in the hand, so Rescue Cat. Effect 2. So if your opponent does this with Tri Brigade and he doesn't do Karis and Kit, he probably has the Karis in the hand. He's only running 2. 2 Kits. Third cheat. Kit Grave Effect. Nerve Hole, Grave Effect, add Fractal. Third cheat. Special summon Fractal. Fractal banish 1, 2 for Bearbrum. Karis, discard Karis, special summon itself. Karis, banish 1, 2 for double Dragon Lords. 1, 2, 3. Was that 4? That was a 4. Yeah. Okay, draw, put back, add and put back, set. Reinforcements of the army, Kagemusha Knight, Tour Guide. They chain blocked me right here. Appo, negate once per chain, decrease attack by 800, negate. So Tour Guide's effects can go through. He's gonna special summon Graph from the deck. In defense, effects negated. Linked off Cherubini. Cherubini is gonna dump Greaves. And he's gonna gain. What is he gonna gain? Equal to the attack and defense of the monster sent to the graveyard. Seer. Appo negate. Trying to special summon the Greaves. Skullmeister. And a chain link 3 call by the grave. Negating its effect, Greaves goes through. Scales, special, scales. Discard. Seer, Appo negate. Goes into a Rusty. And right here at Double Dragon Lords, I sent itself to return. Spin that card back. End phase. Revolt. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jureg. Dump and add. Add. And dump. It was over from here. Fractal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jureg. Let's Duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Part 3. He did screw up. I think he had a chance Right here, dude. Come on. What kind of hand is that? E-Telly. Draw phase. Shotgunning the E-Telly for a psychic tracker. Normal. Boots. Link. Cherubini. Dump skills. Boots. Add Fogblade. Scale special. Skills. Discard. Dump. Graph. Sear. Cloak. Banish. Add. Boots from deck. Linked for Rusty. And then Sear is gonna special summon back Cherubini. Rusty. Right here. Gamma the Rusty. Negating its effect, destroying it. Boots special right into Apo. Oh no. And then he set 2 cards. Draw phase shotgun twin twister. Discarding the second Prod of Prosperity. There's a fog blade there. And a droplet. Pot of Prosperity. Oh, I got really desperate here. I did 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I had to dig deep. This was game 3. Got a Karis. 10 key. Fractal. I wanted him to negate the fractal with Apo so I could talent and take his monster. I activated Fractal's effect. I typed in GG and then I think he's like GG as well. Apo negate, decreasing once per chain, 800 to negate Fractal, and then since he activated monster effect on main phase, get over here! I took his monster. No one cares. Linked off for Verte. I thought he had a hand trap. Verte effect, copy Red Eyes Fusion, pay 2000. Dragoon! Dragoon direct. Direct. They only take half because of prosperity. Any damage he takes is half. End phase right here. You should have waited. Discard. You banish this card from your graveyard. Target 1 Phantom Knight monster in your graveyard. Special summon it. Banish it when it leaves the field. He did this on main phase too, on my turn. And I'm like, what the heck? Well, Dragoon pop and burn, and he just scooped it. Let's duel wins. He should have saved that for next play. Next turn, he probably if he drew something good. Okay, does he have a deck? He does have a deck. Kishi 423 T3. Yeah, okay. Go online. We were at 420, 460, 423. Let the net decking begin. Oh. Not bad. We're at 261. 262 went up by 1. Comment, share, like if you subbed this up if you liked it. See you guys.